Well, building and shaping our healthcare workforce takes time, not to mention it can also be an expensive and exhaustive process. But for over 25 years, one vigilant nonprofit organization has been alleviating some of those burdens for not just those in the industry, but anyone curious about their own health. And the good news is, for those at risk with diabetes, which is 38% of the United States population, you can start making lasting changes through a program that is absolutely free. We're talking about the Eastern Shore Area Education Center, and this is Lisa Widmeyer, their executive director, along with Kelly Schwartz, a diabetes prevention program coordinator. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you so much for having us
absolutely.
today.
So this program got started in 1997, right?
So our organization, yes, got started in 1997, and we're part of a larger network of area health education centers, or AHECs for short. And we do focus on building the healthcare workforce here on the shore especially. So we have lots of different programs to that end.
Absolutely. And can you tell us some of the diverse topics that your programs cover?
Sure. So in response to building the healthcare workforce, we work with university students who are interested in healthcare. We bring them to the shore for clinical rotations. So we house them, we match them to preceptors who hopefully encourage them to come back to the shore and practice medicine after they finish. So that's a big piece of what we do to help build that workforce here on the shore. But we also have lots of other programs just related to health and wellness. So we have an oral health education program. Our dental hygienist on staff goes out to primary schools, elementary schools, and talks to young children and families sometimes about proper oral health. And she is actually the Tooth Fairy's helper, and she has her sparkly gown, and she has her wand and her tiara, and she just engages these young children and really inspires them to, have good oral health.
That's awesome.
We have so many other programs. We have a community health worker training program, and so we offer this training online. So I'm not going to talk too much about that because we're here to talk about the diabetes prevention program,
yes.
But we have such a wide variety of programming, and I could talk for hours about what we do.
And I could listen for hours, right? Now, these programs also create meaningful connections in the community, right?
Absolutely, they really do.
We have a lot of partnerships with local organizations that help us, bring these programs to the shore. So in particular, our diabetes prevention program, we work with our local health departments. They provide the funding so that we're able to offer it to the community for free.
Very cool. That's awesome. Can you tell me a little bit more about the T2 program?
Absolutely. So our diabetes prevention program uses a CDC recognized curriculum called Prevent T2. So we're trying to tackle type 2 diabetes, which, as you shared, is so prevalent right now.
Yeah, absolutely. What's the feedback like been for people who may have participated in the past?
We've received very positive feedback.
Good.
Our participants have loved being part of a cohort where they can share their experiences on this journey. Our program is a year long, okay, and we teach our participants to take small, manageable steps to lead to lasting lifestyle changes to prevent or delay type 2 diabetes. Our curriculum focuses on good nutrition, the importance of physical activity, and stress management strategies, which are all really good things.
Yes.
As Lisa mentioned, our program is free. We're offering a free diabetes prevention program to residents of the Mid-Shore counties, funded by the local health departments. We are offering both virtual and in-class sessions starting soon, so run, don't walk to sign up. I'm starting a virtual class February 26th from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. So our program runs for a year. The first 6 months of the program, the classes meet weekly. The last 6 months of the program, the classes meet monthly, and that's to keep the motivation up in our participants.
Oh man, this is so many people are going to register, I'm sure, just by seeing this. But how can they do that? Can they do that online and in person? How does that work?
They can call our office. They can get on our website, www.esahec.org. That's ESAHEC. We have an interest form on our website. But if they want to call our office, we can get them connected and enrolled in a class that way as well.
Awesome. And of course, we'll also have that on our What's Happening Today on our website. Lisa and Kelly with the Eastern Shore Education Center, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for
so much
having
having
us.